Welcome to Rock Ray, where you learn how to escape the rat race and achieve the financial freedom. Today, you're going to learn how to add a new contact to the our CRM. Okay, let's start. So when you go to the CRM, first of all, you're going to select, make sure you're in the correct account. In this case, we're going to add one for our Ivory Houses Fast Charleston account. Then you're gonna click on where they say contacts on your left side. And you're gonna click on contacts. The first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna type the phone number. In the phone number, you're gonna verify is the contact is here or no. So we have 843-329-2283, and it's thinking about it. So it's not here, so that means that the contact is not in the CRM. So you can select it, copy the contact, and then you're gonna click in the green button where it say add contact. Then you're gonna click on add single contact. Then you're gonna type their name, that is Marvel. We don't have the last name, we don't have the email yet, we have the phone number. We have the phone number, and you're gonna leave it as a lead, and then you're gonna go to save. Okay, you can refresh the page and we should see the contact now. Okay, so the contact is here. You're gonna click on the contact. You're gonna find all the contact information on the left side. If we have the date of birth, it's put it right there. The source, we can say was networking because somebody gave us that one, and she is an investor. Cash buyer, and she mobile homes. She's interested in buying mobile homes. We are not right now. We are not adhere to any campaigns, but here is at the bottom where we adhere to any campaigns. And any change that you do in the left side, you always need to save it. So you save it right here, and the contact is added. So today you learn how to add a new contact to the CRM. Thank you. See you next time.